After spending a few days in Lake Macquarie, we really have enjoyed Marks Point. So we headed up to Spears Point for the markets. As you can see, it's a really nice place to leave. Anyway, headed up to Spears Point, very shallow up this way, near Warners Bay. And as usual, Lake Macquarie got jetties everywhere. Off to the markets. So we've been to the markets, we're happy. We got our hair done. And we got coffee and something to eat. Now we're travelling in the best direction. Downwind. South. She's learning. We're gonna go to the sand flats. And wow. And we're going to go on
about 60 degrees.
What are we? 160
Plus 100.
And we're going to go and scrub the bum. We're all getting in the water, getting our gloves on and scrubbing. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Depends if the sun hangs around. Change of plans. We went to Valentine. Met a bloke that goes fishing every night and gave us some fish. And I had to do a service on the motors, of course. So Lucas decided he's going to go and catch one of these fish. Obviously no luck, but he tried. That's the main thing. And it was such a good day, I thought I'd have a crack. Look at these sunsets, eh? Try my luck. What a cracker. Got one livey. Got 2 more rods out, trying to catch another 1 or 2. We've got their ultimate setup ready. Plus, it's not a bad sunset. What a surprise, he's buying you lollies.
Mum's going to pay, she got some lollies.
It's all mum's. Huh?
My mum did get some lollies. So for the cameraman.
You ready for this?
Yeah, ready for what? Gutter? Oh, God.
Hey, bumper boy!
Shut up, Bree.
Hey, bumper boy!
Shut up, Bree.
Not bad. Making scones. Some would think that we're living it hard here on the boat, but no. I've got the air fryer going to warm up the scones because I've just finished whipping the cream while the boy is watching YouTube videos, I think. Huh?
Pretty good.
Not bad, eh?